city will be on its knees.
While we send metas to reclaim the pods.
Yeah, and Black Lightning is sure to show up. But I'm done with him taking from me. This time, I'm gonna take his powers from him.
And it's... Oh, he's burning up. Look, I'm gonna get him some ibuprofen. What? I need you to get some ice bags out the freezer. We gotta get his temperature down quick. Okay. All right? Okay. Stay with me, Uncle Gamby.
To get out of there. Jeff, you're almost out of juice. Without an energy supply, you're gonna go down soon. Jeff. Jeff! He cut the comm link.
The hell with this!
I saw that you was running out of juice. I know we had beef for a long time, but I ain't about that no more. My city don't need to be this torn up. Streets need you.
So you're gonna cut me now?
No. But I'm leaving you.
What did you do? Lazarus Prime only brought you back. I'm the one who brainwashed you. First level was about control, and you clearly passed that. Second level, way deeper. That passphrase was Latin for from many, one.
Stop!
He deserves it!
You don't! You don't!
I'm the captain of the guard of this shift. Allow me to welcome you to the pit. The collar you wear around your neck nullifies your strength so you can stop trying to use it.
You can't keep me here. I want my lawyer.
Hey, by the song.
This is my jam, buddy. Come on. Dance with me. Oh, no, come on. We still got some moves. I don't want to do that.
The Markovian War is coming. And Freeland is ground zero.